This will shock people. Kids will see the plastic. They will recognise the bottles.
This garden is designed to highlight the issue of plastic in the oceans as part of the Clean Oceans initiative that we have in BIM that was set up by the Minister for the Department of Agriculture. It's looking at the impact that plastic has on the marine environment and what the fishermen and fish farmers of Ireland are doing in order to do their part to address this problem. I suppose what we're trying to do is highlight the work that the fishermen are doing in retrieving the plastic from the ocean, and so all of the plastic that you see in the base there has been retrieved from the shore or from the sea. I mean, it's really hard to quantify how much plastic is actually in the oceans, because obviously there's large pieces like you can see in the garden here behind us, but also there's microplastics as well. So it's very hard to quantify what's out there. But as regards our production in Ireland, every single person in Ireland uses around 60 kilos of plastic a year, which is really high on a European level. It's one of the highest uses of plastics in the European Union. Obviously not all of that is going to end up in the oceans, but what does stays there and causes a problem.
It's designed like a section, a scientific cross-section of a landscape. Combined with that is a layer of plastic which seems to be going under the sea. So that was kind of what we wanted to achieve. We wanted to achieve an atmosphere created by showing something beautiful and something repulsive at the same time. This will shock people. Kids will see the plastic. They will recognise the bottles. They will recognise the labels. They will recognise the brands. They will see a chainsaw and they will wonder, what are we doing?